The Vientiane Taskforce for COVID-19 Prevention and Control has issued new guidelines which requires people wishing to exit or enter the capital to submit certain documents while the lockdown remains in force. To comply with the request from the task force, officials planning to take working trips to the provinces need to obtain an assignment certificate from their workplace. Employees of legal entities of private companies need to provide a letter of proposal issued by their company. Ordinary people are required to obtain a proposal certificate issued by the village authorities. If an out-of-town trip is requested to visit a sick relative, the petitioner must provide a medical statement issued by a health official. If the sick relative is being treated at home, the petitioner must obtain a certificate from village authorities under the new ruling issued on May 10th. The ruling will remain in force until May 20th, which is the planned last day of the lockdown. Residents of other provinces who are stranded in Vientiane and wish to return home are required to provide copies of their ID card, family book, or certificate of residence issued by local authorities, village, district, or provincial authorities. Foreigners who have entered Laos and been in Vientiane for 1 month are required to have a COVID-19 test certificate. The task force has also specified the criteria that petitioners must fulfill in order to get approval. Laos citizens and foreigners wanting to travel to the provinces are required to get certification from local authorities or village, district, or provincial authorities at their destination. The requirement comes as the provinces are also under lockdown, which restricts entry by outsiders. Meanwhile, outsiders wanting to enter Vientiane must get approval from the relevant province's task force for COVID-19 prevention and control. Motorcade of leaders, ambulances, emergency vehicles, fire trucks, and vehicles owned by COVID-19 task force are free to enter or exit Vientiane as necessary. Drivers of goods vehicles wanting to enter or exit the capital are required to get approval from public works and transport officials, but anyone accompanying them must get approval from the Vientiane Health Department. In their petition documents, applicants are required to declare their reasons and the essential nature of the trip. Place of visit, vehicle type, name of drivers, mobile number, number of other people traveling, and dates of departure and return. For relevant documents, contact the Vientiane Health Department. Documents must be submitted via WhatsApp 020-5919-4224 or 020-7628-0640. Manual submission is not accepted.